Hello, and welcome to another Vitruvius walkthrough, where we'll be guiding you through new and exciting features in Vitruvius. File Menu Overview. This walkthrough will provide an overview of the File menu and demonstrate how to configure keyboard shortcuts for items within the File menu. The File menu consists of several sections. File, View, Project, and Help are visible at all times. Design Module, however, is only visible when a supported design module is open. The File section generally consists of typical open, close, save, and print functionalities. In the View section, you can toggle the current design module's axis, or move the current design module to another window. In the Project section, you can add a new module, edit your project's levels, and access project-specific settings. The Design Module section consists of functionality specific to the current design module. For example, we currently have a floor beam open. Through this section of the File menu, we can calculate or auto-size the floor beam, add or remove spans, add loads including linked loads, and bring up several floor beam-specific calculators. Finally, the Help section includes links to our website and other walkthroughs like this one. You can send feedback, whether you have a request for a new feature or discover an issue with the program. To further illustrate how the Design Module section of the File menu changes, we have a stud wall saved within our project. When we switch to the stud wall, the contents of the Design Module section change to reflect the stud wall rather than the floor beam, which was previously selected. Now, we can calculate the stud wall, add loads, and add various components such as doors, windows, and collectors. File Menu Keyboard Shortcuts. Although useful on its own, a File menu is truly essential when it incorporates keyboard shortcuts. To explain, we will switch back to our floor beam. When we open the Design Module section of the File menu, we see the keyboard shortcut for the Calculate option to the right of the item's title. For Calculate, the default keyboard shortcut is Ctrl-Enter. Every item within the File menu may be customized with a shortcut. Auto-Size, located below Calculate, does not currently have an associated shortcut. Keyboard shortcuts may be edited, added, and deleted via the Application settings. Navigate to the settings by selecting the Settings item from the drop-down. Then, click the Keyboard Shortcuts tab. The focal point of the tab is the list containing each File menu item. You can filter which items are displayed in the list by typing any part of the File menu item's path. Once you have located the item you wish to edit, in this case, the Calculate item, you can type the shortcut you wish to associate with the item into the Shortcut for Selected Command text box. Keyboard shortcuts must contain any combination of Ctrl, Shift, and Alt along with another key. Once you have typed in a shortcut, the shortcut currently used by text box will display any File menu items already utilizing the shortcut. A particular shortcut may only be assigned to a single File menu item. In this case, Ctrl-Shift-Enter is not being used. Once you are happy with the shortcut, click the Assign button to associate the shortcut with the File menu item. Next, we will assign a shortcut to the Auto-Size item. Ctrl-O is already being used by the Open Project item. Instead, we will try Ctrl-A. This is not being used and may be associated with Auto-Size. We will save the changes we made by clicking the Save button. Now, when we view the Design Module section, we can see that the shortcut for Calculate has changed from Ctrl-Enter to Ctrl-Shift-Enter. Also, Auto-Size now has Ctrl-A associated with it. If we type Ctrl-A, the Auto-Size pop-up is open. We hope this information was useful to you. The Vitruvius team is standing by to assist you directly via email, phone, or even a remote session. Thank you. We appreciate you being a part of the Vitruvius Project.